Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, record your video. Ask someone to film you as you dance, telling them to walk around you in a circle. After recording your video, open Capcut. Go to New Project and import your video. Select Format 916. Turn down the video volume to 0. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now, if duration of your video is more than 8 seconds, then go to speed and increase the speed of your video. Increase the speed of your video until it comes around to 8 seconds. You can check your video duration here. Now, after adjusting your video, tap on Video and go to Style. And apply Auto Velocity Effect. Now check your video. Now select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.